If your Peugeot vehicle shows you the warning energy economy mode activated, there are basically two possible scenarios. First of all, it can be a normal behavior of the vehicle if it's stationary for more than 20 minutes and at least one of the electrical systems is active. For example, if you sit in the car, the key is in the ignition, the vehicle will not be asleep, and some systems will drain power from the battery. To avoid bad battery drain, your Peugeot will activate the energy economy mode and you will see this warning. This is just normal, no need to worry about anything. The second scenario is when this message may appear suddenly out of nowhere when you are trying to start the car or have just turned it off. In this case, the problem is connected with the weak 12-volt battery. You may try charging it or replacing it if it's older than 4 or 5 years. Also, if you mainly drive in city traffic with short driving cycles, you may want to connect an external battery charger from time to time to your 12-volt battery to give it some juice. Otherwise, the battery will die quite soon. If you want to check the battery health, don't do it with a simple multimeter. The best thing you can do is to check it with a load tester and see if it drops voltage under load. If it does, the battery needs to be at least charged or replaced. And this is the most likely culprit of the warnings that you see on your dashboard.